In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Liberty Mutual account. Whether you're accessing your policy details, filing a claim, or simply viewing your account settings, signing in is a straightforward process. Let's walk you through it step by step. First and foremost, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Go ahead and type Liberty Mutual account into the search bar. Doing this will display a list of potential results. Among these, you want to locate the link that says Liberty Mutual Login, log in to your online account. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page. Once you're on the Liberty Mutual login page, you should see an option to log in. Simply click on the login button. This will take us to the part where you provide your personal account details. Here, you'll need to enter your username. Make sure to type it accurately to avoid any errors. In case you forget your username, there is usually an option to recover it, but for now, let's assume you have it handy. With your username entered, it's time to move on to your password. Type it in carefully, ensuring there are no mistypes. It's a good practice to double check that your caps lock key is off unless your password requires it. If you happen to forget your password, there's typically a forgot password link you can use to reset it. After you have both your username and password entered, you're ready to proceed. Hit the login button and your account page should start loading. If everything was entered correctly, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can access all the features you need, whether it's your policy details, making a payment, or managing your personal information. If at any point you experience trouble logging in, Liberty Mutual usually provides help links and contact options for additional support. Remember that for your security, if you're signing in from a public or shared computer, it's important to log out completely after each session. This ensures that your personal information remains secure and inaccessible to others. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to access your Liberty Mutual account. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.